Calabria, Italy, February 2, 2025. Independent thunderstorms are occurring throughout the Ionian region of Calabria, from Reggio to Catanzaro, Crotone and Cosenza, as highlighted by the lightning map. This is the beginning of the most intense phase of bad weather that will continue until late at night, with the risk of flooding throughout the areas affected by the phenomenon. The area most affected by rain and hail so far is the isthmus, between the provinces of Catanzaro and Vibo Valentia. 107 millimeters of rain has fallen in Catanzaro, which was also hit by heavy hail. Flooding is reported in the regional capital, with water threatening to enter houses. The situation is critical in the southern district, between Santa Maria and Sala, where the Fumarella overflows onto the road, making traffic impossible.
Ormai non si passa più, signori.
Rain level 3 has been exceeded in the areas of Garifalco, Maida, San Pietro e Maida, Amarone and Gicurso, all in the Catanzaro region, and all of which have been affected by the damage caused by the wave of bad weather in the past few days. Rain level 2 also in Lamezia Terme and other municipalities in the area. On the Catanzaro-Lido-Lamezia Terme line, train traffic is suspended between Catanzaro and Marcellinara due to damage caused by the bad weather. Trains will experience delays, changes and cancellations.
È spaventoso. E questo è il coso.
On the Catanzaro-Lido, Reggio Calabria line, train traffic is suspended between Catanzaro and Santa Caterina Jonica due to damage caused by the bad weather conditions affecting the region. Impact on mobility: trains will be delayed, changed and cancelled.
Porca puttana. Dove abbiamo noi la cosa dove passa l'acqua, è pieno.
Several watercourses in central Calabria have overflowed. Heavy hail also hit several other locations, turning roads into rivers of water causing some traffic problems. Heavy rain also caused landslides in several areas of the province of Catanzaro, making many local roads impassable. The affected local authorities continue to issue appeals to residents to limit travel by car, so as to avoid further risks.
Oddio!
Per il momento ci dobbiamo accontentare di questo.
In the afternoon, Mayor Nicola Fiorita's appeal to residents, stay home. Catanzaro and Calabria, he wrote on Facebook, are hit by a wave of bad weather. Impressive images. We are doing everything we can to deal with the emergency. We are on the streets with our civil protection volunteers, with our technicians, and in close contact coordination with the prefecture, the regional civil protection and the fire service. Stay at home until the situation returns to normal.
Perché c'è il giardino allagato, ci riempiamo.